The Rotabroach element range is the market-leading magnetic drilling solution. The element range offers a portable, magnetic drilling solution with depths of cut from 32 to 100mm and cutting diameters ranging up to 100mm. All machines provide robustness, quality and value and are designed to deliver operator safety and machine performance. The element has several key features and benefits. You notice immediately that their ergonomic design makes them stand out from traditional magnetic drills, with a look and feel quite different to any other. Element machines are all fitted with Rotabroach's unique Cut Smart technology, which will increase tool life and avoid downtime and repair costs. Cut Smart measures and monitors the pressure applied when drilling. It uses a simple red, amber, green display to inform the operator of the optimal cutting pressure. Maintaining pressure in the green zone delivers optimum drilling performance and tool life. Apply too much pressure and the motor will cut out, ensuring user safety and protecting the machine. If drilling continues in the red zone for 5 seconds, the motor will cut out, whilst power to the magnet remains on, safeguarding both machine and operator. Utilising modern manufacturing techniques, the machines have been developed to be compact and lightweight. They're also fitted with an easy carry handle, and together with the evenly balanced weight distribution, this makes moving the element between jobs on site easy. A key design feature is the internal cabling. As cables are hidden inside the machine, it stops the cable becoming loose and damaged, reducing costly downtime. Elements are all fitted with rear-mounted controls, which can be seen from a number of angles and in tight drilling spaces. For added flexibility, there's a quick release handle, allowing drilling access from the other side of the machine in seconds. All machines are mounted with an internal coolant system, so the coolant is applied directly to the centre of the cut for optimum drilling performance. All machines come with a chuck. The Elements 75 and 100 come in swivel base variants for ultimate flexibility. For operator safety, machines are delivered with a protective guard and a safety strap in order to prevent the drill falling from height. To ensure maximum performance, Rotabroach's annular cutters are designed to work with the element range.